Kinney started third. You stayed in the top 5, but then it's really in the last restart where you got the second place.
Yeah, we had a good starting position, and I actually slid back to, I think, 5th or 6th there for a minute, but once we got in our rhythm, I picked those guys off, and you hate to see any kind of reds or yellows at all, really, but that kind of worked out in my favor. I knew that starting on the top there, I was going to get a run. I figured I was going to get Jay. I didn't know I was going to get Michael, too, so it worked in our favor for sure.
It's a kind of revenge from the last time where you couldn't finish the final?
Yeah, I mean, Mark ran a heck of a race. I mean, he was fast. I actually just congratulated him down there. I wish I could have beat that car, the 55, but he was way too fast, so I think we did as good as we could, and we'll take it. I mean, we got to beat him in the heat race, so that's good enough.
You're 5th in the standings, actually, and tomorrow RPM is good for you, too, so it will help your weekend in Quebec.
Yeah, hopefully we got some good weather and we draw good again like we did tonight, so I don't have to start weighing it back like I've been doing the past 5-6 weeks. So we'll just get the car ready in the morning, and hopefully we have a good night like tonight.
Wish you good luck. See you tomorrow.
Okay, thank you.
Paul Kinney est content de terminer deuxième ce soir. C'est un peu inespéré parce qu'il est parti troisième, il a glissé 5-6e et puis finalement il est remonté grâce à la dernière relance où il a dépassé Jason Barney, le 87. Présentement, Paul Kinney était 5e au classement, donc ce week-end-là va lui être certes profitable. Il espère pour demain partir parmi les premiers parce qu'il a été une longue séquence sans partir parmi les premiers, ce qui rend les choses beaucoup plus difficiles. Lorsque je lui ai parlé de Mark Smith, il dit que c'était impossible d'aller le rejoindre. Il était très rapide, mais il se réjouissait de l'avoir battu en qualif.